Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a dragon puppet. First, get some paper. Once you got your first paper, you're going to go ahead and fold it just like this. Make sure the paper is up like this and in a straight line. Just like this. Now we're gonna see this part right here. You're gonna get your glue stick and glue it down. Just like that. After you've done that, you have to do this. Just like that. Now you have to do this one more time. Now you have to do this again. After you do that, you're gonna get one of them like this and cut only 2 centimeters. Right there. If you're having a hard time with that, you could just mark it like that and cut. Do not use these same exact scissors because they're terrible. Okay. Just like that. Then you're going to line up one of them, either one you want. And then trace it. I'm very bad at tracing. And then once you've done that, line it up. Looks perfect. You could sorry about that. You could add flats that you're gonna fold. Now you cut it out. Once you've cut it out, you're gonna go ahead and fold the flaps that you also made on your triangle. After you do that, you need to see if it fits on your thing. By grabbing these the flaps that you folded, lining it up. Your result should be this. Once you've done that, you're gonna go ahead and fold them back down like that. And glue. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and grab this and stick it on. If it looks like that and it's not sticking well, you would grab some tape and tape that. As you can see, we're already building some part of the mouth. You're going to have to make sure it's big enough to fit your hand in here. Once you've done that, you're just going to cut out another one and do the same steps up here. Once you've done that and it's looking droopy like mine, you can grab some tape and put it all around. When you have this, your result should look like something like this. Then you do the same thing on the little side, or whichever side you did, whichever side you're doing second. Once you've done that, you're gonna do this. You're gonna put the bottom one on the bottom and the top one on the bigger one on the top. Then you're gonna grab a piece of tape and tape these two together. As you can see now, when you open the mouth like this, it doesn't come apart. Now it's the easy part. You could just draw a nice picture and put it right on here. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching today. Hope you enjoyed this. This video took me a long time to make. Anyways, bye.